Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Monday, February 12th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day with you. Started off the week with a lot of support into these grain markets, starting with beans. Beans were the ones that really led the way higher. Argentina got some moisture here over the weekend, but not enough. Especially in the southern region, and so you're starting to see a lot of crop deterioration there, and that's what pushed these markets back up higher. Now you have Argentina to support beans, but you have a lot of bearish situations in beans as well, and that's one thing we need to note, starting with the fact that China came in here and announced that they canceled a very, very large chunk of soybeans from the U.S. So that is what we're seeing here, is that we are lagging behind pace. USDA has cut exports twice now in the last two reports. We're at a 530 million bushel carryout, which is ginormous, and China came in here and canceled some soybean sales. And that's going to be very worrisome to this market if we don't see continued problems out of Argentina. Argentina is also about half the production of the US and Brazil, so we need to keep that in mind as well. And then looking at a technical side of things, we came up here, tried to get above 1003 in March, got above it, but could not close above it. And that's about the fourth or fifth time that we have failed at that 1003 price count off March soybeans. And that's a number to watch. Now we came back after failing off of it, closing at about 1001 3/4, but we still cannot get a close above 1003. And that's that technical target that could indicate a move to the top side once again, but we're just really struggling there. So overall, beans still a really great close, up 18 3/4, but it's something to watch there to see if Argentina has enough power over all of these bearish stories that are out there as well. Corn market up 5 cents, Minneapolis wheat up over 6, Kansas City up about 10, Chicago wheat up about 12. So overall support into these grain markets to start the week off. Meat markets had some support as well, probably tied to the stock market. Dow up 450 points. So you got a light support into these cattle markets, up about $1 in both live cattle, feeder cattle. Lean hogs for the majority of the day were about steady to slightly lower, did come in by the afternoon and come up, with deferred contracts being over $1 higher. And like I said, outside markets, Dow up over 450 points. Overall, the outside markets were favorable, with the Dow up like it was, US dollar down about 30 cents. And then crude oil up slightly. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is just continued all eyes on Argentina, because if they put that moisture in the forecast, you do have quite a bit of weather premium that will be sucked out quite fast just because of the bearish situation around beans right now. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.